Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. I'm a dietitian in Orlando, Florida, and this is our adventure out at King's Landing. At the beginning, they take you up to the very top of the spring with a golf cart, and then from there, you kayak all the way downstream. It ends up being a total of around 9.5 miles. In total, it took us around 5 hours, I believe, but that was with taking 2 to 3 breaks here and there just to, stretch out our legs, get a snack, drink some water. In total, it took us around, I think, 4.5 to 5 hours. And then here at the end, we end up at Wekiva Island, where we were able to get some good food, some drinks. And then the best part about this tour was that they shuttled you back to where you started, so you don't have to paddle upstream those 9 miles back. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the footage from King's Landing, from Rock Springs. It was definitely a great day, super beautiful to see all the animals in the water. Very tiring, but definitely worth it.